Hey girl, so we're back with another video. I know you're wondering, like, why the heck do you look crazy? But it's because we're about to do in-depth how to define your curls. But I'm so excited because I feel like I finally understand how to define curls. And I got this band on because I'm like actually gluing it down. But I'm gonna do one side and then we're gonna take a thumbnail so you know, so y'all can see like the difference. But I feel like the most important thing is to make sure that you have a paddle brush, like really one that is strong. Don't get no cheap Dollar Tree one. Preferably get a I just said this name of this brush in my head. Denman, I don't know. Get a Denman brush, but I'm gonna use a little padded brush. Look how it's already broken because I've tried doing it before. The ingredients, the products that you need, obviously water. You can either use a leave-in or like a curl cream. The leave-in that I have is from Monat, and it's the Restore Leave-In Conditioner, blah, blah, blah. And the curl cream that I have is from Fro Babies. I use this on my son's hair, and his hair is like so nice and curly. Curls a Poppin' Souffle is what this is called. So I think I'm gonna use the Curls a Poppin' Souffle because the Monat actually costs a lot, but I don't even be using it. Other ingredients, other, what am I trying to say? Other products. Lotta Body or like mousse, whatever. And then gel, preferably one that has a lot of water in it instead of one that has, I don't know, like don't be using no Got2b because that's damn near glue, and don't be using no damn Gorilla Snot because that's sticky. Don't be stingy with the water, be very generous. Girl, I'm at work. So if I have to pause, I'm gonna have to pause. Put it off. Drench the front piece so y'all can just see the actual process. And basically I do the same thing for each piece, but you're gonna make sure that it's like extremely drenched. Rake your fingers through if you need to. Like if it's not changing color, then it's not drenched enough. You know what I'm saying? Like it don't need to be the same color that it was dry. Okay, this is pretty drenched. Okay, yeah, see, it's already like Curls a Poppin'. Okay, so then you're gonna go to the gel and you're gonna take a good amount. Don't be taking a little bit amount. I know they love to say dime size on YouTube, but no, not dime size over here. You're gonna rake it through, and you're not, right now you don't need to use the paddle brush or anything. You just really need to make sure that you're getting the product on almost every strand. I use a little bit more. I'm generous with the products because I like my curls to look like they're still wet, kind of, even when they're dry. See how it already, yeah, let's zoom in on those curls. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's zoom back out. So once you get done with that, I'm gonna go in with the Curl Souffle. If you need to know what it looks like, there you go. This stuff is magical, and I mean it. I mean it. You only need, now you can say dime size. It's just because we're going in little sections. So you wanna start from the bottom, and go to the top. And you're just raking the product through, raking it through. I know it seems like it's weighing it down, but trust me, just trust me, cause I'm that girl when it comes to the curl. Okay, last thing, mousse. Just a little healthy size of mousse, nothing too crazy. Oh my God, y'all, I've been so happy that I've been so consistent these past couple of weeks on. Okay, so now with the brush, you can really start from the top because you didn't rake it all through. Okay, so with the brush, I'm doing like this, and I basically hold the curls, and then I scrunch. And I just let them sit for a second. And I just keep scrunching. Girl, bye. Girl, bye. The curls are already shapop. Just wait till they start to dry. They're gonna be so cute. Like, you see how I didn't do my roots? Because that's not very necessary. But look at the curl. Look at the curls compared to, like, wow. And then look how much it changes the color. Yeah. Get into it. Yeah. All right. So now we're gonna finish this one side. Finish this side. Finish him. Spray, spray, spray. Make sure it's drenched, girl. Do not play yourself. Make sure it's drenched. And I wore a hoodie because you're gonna get wet, girl. So prepare yourself. You're just detangling, especially if you had like a wig that you already wore. Make sure that you're finger detangling before you start using the brush, because that's how you lose so much hair. Like, everybody's always saying, like, curly hair, you lose so much, you know, you lose so much of the density, but it's because you have to finger detangle before you brush, because if you don't, it's gonna take out all of the hair straight from the track. You don't want that. So what did we do first? We did water, gel. So let me get to that point. Why am I being overzealous? So, hold on. I'm breathing all hard, big. I'm a big bitch. I'm sorry. I don't want to be insensitive because I am plus size. So how can I be insensitive? But yeah. So you see how it's still red? You don't want to see that. You want to see brown. That means it's not wet enough. Wet it up, wet it up. All right, let's go in with some gel. Good heaping amount. Like, you even want to take like little pieces and do like this. Like, so you can have little ringlets. I don't know if you can actually see that, but like little spiral curls. Look how juicy that is. Look how juicy. Just gonna zoom in on that texture shot, baby. Juicy, juicy, juicy Jerry curl, okay? All right. Now, scrunch. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. And I am gonna use the blow dryer just for the sake of the video, but normally I would not. I would just let it be wet. Okay, now, do you see that? Like, are you for real right now? Where's my phone at? So I can take a picture. Okay, let me take a picture real quick. Real quick. Is the lighting bad? Okay, y'all, so this is the hair about 75% dry. I love it. And on the curls, so you can see. But like super defined, still looks wet. But it's because we have the product in it. And like when it gets like super dry, I like to pick out the roots, like with a pick, and really give it that volume. Okay, y'all, so I had to come back and show y'all like how, look, I did put on a little bit of makeup, and I did change my shirt. I don't know why I did so much, but I had to show y'all that the curls are so defined. And this is about 90% dry, I'll say. So the drier that it gets, the poofier it's gonna get, but I like the curls to look like they're curls, if that makes sense. Like, I don't like it when it's like super thick clumps, so you'll just want to separate it, but be very gentle when you're separating. Let the curls just fall. Yes. Also, I just want to let y'all know, do not keep running your fingers through it, because if you do that, you'll make the curls frizzy. That's just a pro tip. Do not keep putting your hands in it. If you do want it to fluff it out, like, I would lean my head forward and do like this. But I like where it's at right now, especially because I want it to completely dry before I start to like break the curls apart. I don't like it to be frizzy. Also, another pro tip, if you are going to be separating the curls, put a little bit of oil on your finger pads or whatever, like it's part of your fingers, so when you are detangling it, it's not making it frizzy. But yes, that's all I have for you today. My next video is probably going to be a review on this actual wig, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.